What's up, guys? It's Nick, or Mr. Odyssey here, back at it again with another video. Now you might be asking yourself, Nick, what are you waving around in your hand? Well, this is something very special, and I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about this. This is called, focus, not on my face. There we go. This is a power whoop connector. This is a upgraded connector that you can install on your tiny whoop instead of having the little tiny one. I don't know the name for this. I think it's a micro something or other. But anyways, this is usually what comes on the Horizon Hobby Inductrix. It's a camera likes to focus on my face. But in today's video, I want to see if this guy can make a difference on installing on this little Inductrix Pro. So what we're going to do is we are going to fly a couple laps around the basement with this guy with the standard connector, and so you know I'm flying all my packs with a 205 milliamp pack, so there's no sketchiness there. And we're gonna go ahead and install this guy, and we are going to fly a couple more laps and see if it makes that big of a difference. From what I've heard, this is a definite upgrade that everyone should have. I'm gonna make that decision today. Well, I completely fried the whoop because I soldered it to the wrong part. So, yeah. Let's fast forward to whenever I got a new control board. Yeah.
2 weeks later.
What's up, guys? It is Nick, or Mr. Odyssey here, back at it again with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be talking about this little guy right here. For the test, our control battery, or our control group, is going to be a 220 amp MyLipo.de 25C pack, and we're gonna fly that with the standard little Inductrix connector. And then we've got a Crazy Pony 230 milliamp one cell with the little power whoop connector on there. If my camera ever wants to focus, there you go. So we're gonna go ahead and fly it with the normal connector first. I'll let you guys decide if there really is a difference, and I'll give my opinion too at the end. Let's get to flying. Alright guys, so that flight you just saw was with the standard little tiny whoop Inductrix whatever connector on it, and now we're gonna go for the power whoop connector and give it a shot. So let's go for it. all I have to say is, wow. This is my first time ever flying with a power whoop connector like that, and I mean, it makes a huge difference in the way that the Tiny Whoop flies and the way the Tiny Whoop acts. I mean, you just get a lot more punch with it. It just feels a lot better. You know, like I said, I have been flying with this little connector, this little tiny Inductrix connector for almost a year now on the original Inductrix, and then the Inductrix FPV and the Inductrix Plus. But I should have switched to this guy a long time ago because it definitely gives you more punch. Yeah, it's crazy. So I would definitely recommend going out and spending the extra, I want to say I spent $3, $2 on the Tiny Whoop website and to get the little connector, and then they sell the batteries for this normal price as normal Tiny Whoop batteries. So, I mean, just go out there and get it. Go out there and get it, because we know what's coming. We know what's coming. With this type of weather out here, it's winter season. You know what winter season means? Tiny Whoop season. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that short little comparison video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, do all that crazy stuff. And I will see you guys soon. Keep flying. Hand slap? No, watch this. Tiny Whoop slap.